Hi everyone, welcome back to the Wig Studio One YouTube channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. My name is Jennifer Martinez and I'm a guest reviewer for Wig Studio One. Thank you to Wig Studio One for sending me this wig for my honest review. I really appreciate it. This is Kennedy from Belle Tress from their Icons collection. So a brand new style in one of their new Icons collection colors, which is gorgeous. I can't wait to tell you about it because it's so pretty. So let's go ahead and get started. But really quickly, if you haven't yet checked out the Wig Studio One Wig and Topper support group on Facebook, definitely go check it out. There are so many people there who have awesome advice for new wig wearers, or the seasoned wig wearers have advice for the newer wig wearers. It's just a great place to go and hang out. So definitely go check that out. All right, let's go ahead and get into Kennedy. So the Icons collection, from what I understand, they're named after fashion icons. Kennedy, I'm only guessing here because I didn't see it anywhere online, but maybe Jacqueline Kennedy? Maybe it could be another Kennedy, I don't know, but that's what I'm guessing. So I could be totally wrong, but that's what I'm gonna think in my mind because I love Jacqueline Onassis, Kennedy Onassis. So anyway, let's go ahead and get started. This is a just beautiful, sophisticated look. I feel really fancy. I feel fancy. It has these beautiful barrel curls, as you can see. Just barrel curls. The cap, we're definitely going to get to that, but it's a great cap, hand-tied, double mono, all the stuff. So we'll talk about that in just a minute. Let's go ahead and talk about this color. This color is Havana Brown Rooted, so Havana Brown R, and the color code is 10/12/6. So it has a root of a 6. And then the 10 and the 12, it has really a base of a 10, which is a medium going into the lighter shades of brown. And technically a 12 is a light brown. I don't feel like it's that light of a brown. I would put it more in the medium brown category. That's what I see with my eyes. But I think it's just really, really pretty. I feel like it's dynamic without being in your face dynamic, if that makes sense. So it is a neutral. It's a neutral color. Because of that, most people can wear this color. Let's go ahead and talk about the dimensions. So I'm just going to look down here. This is overall, it just says overall is 13.5, so just all the way around 13.5 inches long. The bang is 5 to 7, so I think it's going to just depend on where you're pulling from. 5 to 7 inches, and then the sides will be 10 inches, so 10 inches here on the sides, and then the nape, which is extended, is a 6-inch nape, and Kennedy weighs 4 ounces. I will, by the way, go outside so you can see this beautiful Havana Brown Rooted color, so you can see it outside. Right now I'm in front of a ring light, so you know the color changes depending on the lighting situation, so definitely stay tuned for that at the end of the video. Let's go ahead and look at Kennedy from all sides. As far as what I've done with Kennedy, really nothing. I took her out of the box and I sprayed a little bit of water right in this area just to keep it out of my face. Usually when I'm going to be wearing a new wig, I'll clip the top back to kind of over direct it back. To try to train that area so it stays out of my face. I haven't done that with Kennedy yet. I still have the tag on it. It just kind of came out like this. I ran my fingers through it and that's about it. These curls are so pretty. They're just bouncy curls. So if you are that curly person, then this might be perfect for you. One thing that you might keep in mind for this is that, you know, these barrel curls, they tend to find each other. So they want to kind of sometimes get that Shirley, I call it the Shirley Temple curl. So, you know, you might just want to every now and then run your fingers through so that the curls don't just kind of attach all to each other and you have one big curl. Okay, glasses are fine. So go right in under the ear tab. That's where I put it, put my glasses. Because Kennedy has such a pretty style with the curls, I wouldn't want to do too much with it. That's just me. You know, I'd put it up because, again, I say this over and over, but it's the truth. I wear my hair up like this a lot just to keep it out of my face. But other than that, I wouldn't want to not show these curls off, because that's, to me, that's what makes this style so, so pretty. So I would definitely just want to show those bouncy curls off. Let's go ahead and look at the inside of the cap on Kennedy. Kennedy has a beautiful ear-to-ear lace front and silicone ear tabs, so they'll stay really nicely, stay in place. It is a partially hand-tied cap. As you can see, I'm showing you the Velcro adjusters there, and full mono top, and that's a double mono, as you can see there. As I said, partially hand-tied cap, that's the wefting part there, and the kind of top part is stretchy while the bottom really isn't. Stay tuned for the look outside at this beautiful Havana Brown rooted color, but that's all I have for you today. You can get 30% off this style with the code POSH30 on the Wig Studio One website. This style will be linked down below for you in the description box. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave them below in the comment section as well. I hope you have a great day. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you to Wig Studio One for sending me this wig. I really appreciate it. And I will talk to you soon. Bye.